Hey, I'm Martin. I'm the founder and CTO at Metas Automation. And today I want to talk about climate change because it's more than just a challenge. It's our chance to make a real difference. And in the automotive industry, we're leading the way in shaping our impact on the environment. Because going carbon neutral isn't just good for the planet, it's also smart business too. It's about balancing our duty to the earth while also being industry innovators. And this move isn't just about protecting nature, because it's a savvy economic move too. We're cutting costs by being more efficient and winning over customers who really care about the environment just as much as we do. And these days, carbon neutrality isn't just an extra perk, it's essential for staying ahead of the game. We're not just choosing to lead the way, we really have to. It's vital for the future of car manufacturing. So if you're keen to find out more about our journey towards carbon neutrality, click by our blog today. We're not just changing the industry, we're revolutionising how the world works.